Hey everybody, it's Stephanie from FocusWP. You know, plugin updates, theme updates, WordPress core updates. We all love that these developers keep innovating, but once you've got more than a handful of sites to look after, it can become so time consuming. And that's just keeping them up to date. That doesn't even take into consideration going back through and checking all your sites for compatibility with other plugins or your custom code. Who has the time? And let's face it, that's not your favorite part of the business anyway, is it? Why don't you let FocusWP handle the tedium and you do what you do best, running your business and making more awesome websites. You know, we've been building and maintaining our own WordPress sites for years. We know what we're doing. And the best part, we'll keep everything running smoothly from the shadows, and you get to take credit as the geek rock star that you are.